So first we will start with this piece. It moves up. Then you can shift this piece and 2 other parts to the right. This puzzle was designed by Benno Baatsen and made by Puzzle Master. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 9 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to take it apart and reassemble it again. The Quantum Flux 1 is a part of the Quantum Flux puzzle series. There are 4 puzzles in this series. If you like the Quantum Flux 1 and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos from Puzzle Master. So first we will start with this piece. It moves up. Then you can shift this piece and 2 other parts to the right. Then this part goes to the front. This part goes to the right. Here you can remove the first piece, but that's not all. There are still plenty of steps here, and it is just the first piece. To remove the second piece, you have to put almost all of the parts back together, except for this piece. You don't have to put it all the way down. You have to put it like that, then move 1 step to the left like that. Then you shift all the parts again to the right. Then you move this part to the left and you can remove it. But here we still have 4 parts connected together, as you can see. So here what you have to do is to put these 2 parts here to the left, these 2 parts here to the right. Then grab this piece. First shift it 1 step down. Now move it up and you will see that it goes inside of this part. Next you move the bottom piece like that to the right and drop this piece all the way down. Now you grab these top 2 parts, move them to the right and up like that, and then you move this piece down and 1 step to the left. Now you grab this part, move it up again. Now you move the bottom piece to the left and 1 step this direction and drop it down. Now you will have again 2 and 2 parts, but now they are connected in such a way that if you rotate these 2 parts, you will be able to disconnect them and the puzzle will be disassembled. And now you just have to assemble everything back together, which will be quite an interesting challenge as well. If you like the Quantum Flux 1 and you want to try other puzzles from this series or any other awesome puzzles, go to puzzlemaster.ca.